Hey, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make some herbal preparations for the fall and winter season. I'm going to be using ingredients that you can usually find in your garden or your local grocery store. And let's get started.
You will need some fresh sage, a lemon, some honey, and about a cup of water. You'll want to bring the cup of water to a boil. You can then add about 10 sage leaves to the water. You will take it off of the heat and let it sit there for about 15 minutes. You then can filter out the ingredients into your teacup. And then you can add lemon and honey to the tea. So I would be lying if I said sage tea is delicious, because it's just a certain taste. It's a very earthy kind of bitter. So if you want to hide the flavor of that a little bit, you can add more honey, more lemon, or a little bit combination of both, or make the tea and also add something like peppermint or another type of tea that will kind of take down the bitterness of the sage. But sage is very good for your throat and for colds, so it is worth it to drink it. And it's not disgusting, it's just kind of strong and bitter. But that is sage tea. So for your homemade cough syrup, we will need a lemon, some thyme, fresh thyme is what I'm using, and some honey. We'll start by cutting up the lemon in slices. We'll then want to take the thyme and add it on top of the lemon, and we're going to alternate lemon slices, thyme, and honey in layers. Thyme has antiviral, antimicrobial, and decongestant properties that can help fight a cold and ease a sore throat. So now you have a homemade cough syrup. You'll want to let this sit in the fridge for a couple days. The lemon will actually extract out with the honey and it will become more of a liquid consistency. You'll want to make sure the honey is completely covering the lemon and the thyme, and you want to get out, most of the air bubbles that you can. You can use a knife and kind of get in there and get the air bubbles out. So you'll store this in the fridge. You can keep it stored for up to a month. You'll want to shake before you use. You can just take like a tablespoon, teaspoon worth for your throat. You can also add it to any kind of tea as well. So that is that. And now we'll move on and I'll show you how to go ahead and put together a fire cider. For your fire cider, you will want to have some onion, some garlic, hot pepper, I'm using jalapeno here, ginger root, and spices such as turmeric, cayenne pepper, rosemary. I also had some hibiscus flowers on hand that I wanted to add to the fire cider to create a really beautiful color and for the health benefits. You'll want to start by cutting up the onion into thick slices. You can then cut up the garlic into slices and add it to your quart jar. You will then take your ginger and you can cut it up into slices. You can also grate the ginger and you can get it to break down a lot easier, and that's a great way to do it. You will then want to cut up your jalapeno. I leave the seeds in and everything because I like my fire cider hot, but you can amend it however you'd like. You'll then want to add your spices and herbs, and then you will want to squeeze some lemon into your fire cider. You can also cut up the lemon and leave it in there. I usually do that when I make a bigger half-gallon batch, but right now I'm just using a quart jar. You'll then finish everything off by pouring in some raw apple cider vinegar. And now you have your fire cider mixture. It will need a weight to make sure that all the ingredients stay in the vinegar, and you'll want to check and make sure that there's no mold growing. Otherwise it is ruined and you need to start again. But after about 3 to 4 weeks, you will filter out all the ingredients, keep the vinegar, add in the honey, and then you will be able to use your health elixir. So that is all I have for you this week. So have a great day. Bye.
Thank you. Look how much money I have. You have a lot of money.
Like and subscribe!
What?
I can easily party people. Did you start it? Hey, welcome back. Hemingway. They are easily. The ingredients are easily found. You can use just things that you like, lemons. Yeah. Okay, try again.